Amazon faces massive $2.5 billion settlement over Prime tricks. In a move that has grabbed headlines, Amazon has agreed to pay an eye-popping $2.5 billion to resolve a major lawsuit over its Prime membership program. The U.S. government accused the e-commerce giant of designing its website in a way that misled tens of millions of users into subscribing to Prime, making it intentionally difficult for them to cancel. Without admitting any wrongdoing, Amazon will pay $1 billion in civil penalties directly to the government, while the remaining $1.5 billion will go toward compensating affected customers. In a statement, the company insisted that it and its leadership have always complied with the law, and described the settlement as an opportunity to move forward and continue focusing on innovating for customers. Millions of Prime members who joined between mid-2019 and mid-2025 will automatically receive refunds of up to $51. Others can file claims depending on how many Prime benefits they actually use. Beyond free shipping, Amazon will clarify these details on its website and plans to adjust how subscription options are displayed, aiming for more transparency. The Federal Trade Commission, FTC, which oversees consumer protection and fair competition, filed the lawsuit in 2023, spotlighting Prime's role in driving massive revenue. In 2024, Amazon earned over $44 billion from subscription fees alone. Prime members, who shop more frequently and spend more, numbered over 200 million in 2021. According to Amazon's last public count, the lawsuit accused Amazon of using manipulative, coercive, or deceptive tactics to enroll users into auto-renewing subscriptions, which cost $139 annually or $14.99 monthly. Regulators also highlighted a deliberately complex, multi-step cancellation process designed to discourage members from leaving, with Amazon repeatedly delaying promised simplifications to maintain subscriber numbers. The trial took place this week in Seattle, Amazon's headquarters city, with a jury deciding whether the company had violated the law, a rare scenario for a complex antitrust and consumer protection case. Throughout the litigation, Amazon maintained that it did nothing illegal. The company argued that sign-up and cancellation procedures were generally straightforward, and that its website design and disclosures met or exceeded standard industry practices. The settlement followed critical testimony from former Amazon user experience researcher Reed Nelson. Emails and texts revealed that Nelson and his team had flagged Amazon's website designs as confusing or misleading to users. Nelson even stated that achieving Amazon's business goals would be difficult if Prime's website were more transparent. During cross-examination, Amazon lawyers emphasized that the company had already spent over $10 million to address customer frustration issues noted by Nelson and his team. Amazon still faces another, much larger federal lawsuit in which the FTC alleges the company operates as a monopoly. Amazon has dismissed these claims as factually and legally incorrect, and that trial is scheduled for early 2027 before the same judge, John Chun, of the U.S. District Court for the Western District of Washington. But here's the part most people miss. While this settlement resolves one controversy, it underscores growing scrutiny of big tech firms and their subscription practices. Could this be a turning point for how tech giants treat consumers? Or just a minor setback for a company of Amazon's size? The debate is wide open, and opinions are sure to differ. What do you think? Does this settlement signal real change, or is it merely a financial blip for Amazon?